Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you my Born Pretty Store tribal gradient tutorial. To begin with, I use China Glaze at Vase Value as my base for the gradient. Again, you can use a white polish, but I decided to use green. Then with the liquid latex from Nail Artisan, I'm just covering my cuticle and finger just to stop any mess with the gradient. And then the three polishes for my gradient are Up Turquoise, Yacht To Handle and at Vase Value. With these polishes I'm applying them to a makeup sponge, as a makeup sponge is good for the gradient application. So just do a line of each polish onto your makeup sponge and then apply it to the nail. In between applications, make sure the polish is dry, otherwise you will pull up the polish that's already on your nail. So again, apply your polish to your makeup sponge and apply to the nail. Do this as many times as you need. And then I have the Born Pretty Store tribal stamping plate. This was sent to me to review from Sherry at Born Pretty Store Amazon. So I've chosen the image that I'm going to stamp with. And with the Beauty Big Bangs black nail polish, I apply it to the stamping plate. And then with the scraper, just scrape off any excess polish. And then get your stamper and then transfer it onto your nail, lining up your image. And the same again with the second nail. I'm using the same image but just flipping the design round. And then I chose a separate image for the other two nails, just so the other two nails weren't plain. Then with the slanted nail tweezers, I remove the liquid latex. The liquid latex did dry out quite a lot on this design and it was quite difficult to pull off. And then with the Barrier matte top coat, I finished my design on each nail. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.
That was good.